What's up, guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best VR headsets in 2022. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Our review list starts with the Oculus Rift S, the best PC VR headset available on the market in 2022. The company's latest model brings a string of welcome improvements to its already brilliant VR system, making the experience even better with fewer cables. Improved specs and an updated design satisfy were not something we expected at such an affordable price tag, especially for the latest flagship model. The manufacturer has added a few small changes and improvements in the whole design, but comfort and affordability are perhaps the most attractive aspects of this model. For starters, the S handset is easier to put on than the original Rift. You can position it and tighten it to fit well using the rear wheel. The better fit also ensures that the headphones let in less light when you play, which means you'll be able to see more games and less of the real world, making the experience even more intense and enjoyable. The new and improved S also uses an information tracking system. The device packs 5 sensors on the headphones to provide inside-out monitoring and eliminate the need for infrared sensors or monitoring base stations. The tracking technology allows the headset to follow your every move. In terms of specs, there's been a slight increase in image quality. The company offers a higher resolution, with new headphones that support 1280 by 1440 per eye, or 2560 by 1440 in total, compared to 1080 by 1200 pixels per eye in the original Rift. There is also a reduced refresh rate. The original Rift had a refresh rate of 90 Hz, while the updated Rift S supports 80 Hz. This is due to ASV, a system designed to improve gaming comfort by smoothing the frame rate and optimizing the experience. Users who pay attention will also notice that you now need a DisplayPort or mini DisplayPort connected on your machine and only a spare USB slot. This, in our opinion, is one of the best changes with the new S headphones. The Oculus Rift S is designed with the new Pass-Through Plus system. It's similar to the system that was already featured in HTC Vive and gives you a virtual view of the room through the cameras without having to take off your headphones. Rift S works with all current generation Rift games, and Oculus says the company will continue to support the original Rift and make content available to you. Through various playing sessions, we were constantly impressed with the performance of Rift S. The visuals are interesting, the new audio setup works well, and the tracking is incredibly accurate. Good stuff, a thumbs up from here. Up next, check out the PlayStation VR, aka the best console VR headset available on the market in 2022. PSVR offers great benefits for a console add-on. It delivers adequate support for developers and publishers to ensure you get the best games. In addition to hardware and settings, gaming is where PlayStation VR really stands out. Launch games are almost entirely great from start to finish. The headband is a bit tighter compared to others, which mostly uses stretchy materials rather than solid plastic and rubber filled with foam, but at least it seems convincingly firm and can be adjusted to fit comfortably. PlayStation VR uses a 1080p OLED panel that offers 960 by 1080 pixels per eye. The device also has a smaller viewing angle than its rivals, but this doesn't matter when you're at the heart of a good game. What matters is the refresh speed. At 120 Hz, the PSVR offers a better refresh rate than most, ensuring smooth action even when you shake your head abruptly. The higher the frame rate and refresh rate, the less likely it is that VR headphones will make you dizzy. A decent pair of Sony headphones is included in the package. You can use your own headphones, of course, with virtual surround sound over your ears, which is probably the most convenient option. You know you can start shooting right out of the box. The PlayStation VR system uses shortcuts through an exceptionally smart tracking system. Where the Oculus Rift and HTC Vive use expensive infrared tracking sensors and mostly hidden infrared points, the PSVR relies on strong LED lights captured by an existing PlayStation camera. You get a bundle of cables in the box and a processor unit to connect everything, including your PS4. The device has direct access to HDMI, so you can stream video to headphones and TV at the same time. Thumbs up. Up next, check out the HTC Vive Pro 2, the best high-resolution VR headset available on the market in 2022. This model sports specially updated software to improve the wireless connectivity adapter. Now the trigger controls have a 2-stage pressure system, which increases your chances in the game. Integrated headphones are foldable, which will allow you to enter and exit virtual reality. The headband has back foam and is adjustable with thread so that your head and neck are always supported in an ergonomic and relaxing way. Face foams are interchangeable with Velcro straps, whether you wash them or change them for others of your choice. The device also has a pair of built-in microphones, so you can easily communicate during your online games without the need for additional peripherals. This more current model was initially introduced with a resolution of 5K, which is a significant improvement over the previous model. The exact resolution is 4896 by 2448 on the LCD screen. The device delivers 90 to 120 Hz FPS speed and an exceptional 120 degrees of vision, much higher than most competitors. Additionally, it includes integrated high-resolution 3D speakers, a dual microphone, proximity sensors, Qi sensor, a gyroscope, IPD, and Steam VR monitoring version 2.0. The Vive Pro 2 connects via USB or the Vive wireless adapter. It's quite surprising the device comes with 6 integrated cameras to optimize the monitoring of controls in the best possible way. Unlike many competitors, the experience with the HTC Vive Pro 2 is much superior in terms of tracking FPS delays, have fewer geometric deformations, and much greater auditory immersion. In conclusion, with HTC Vive Pro 2, you will have no problems playing games for hours and enjoy entering the virtual universes without visual errors that remind you to use glasses. This is a quality product, and all we can do is recommend it. If you aren't hesitant to spend a few extra dollars to get the heap of the crop, we say look no further than the Valve Index, the best premium VR headset available on the market in 2022. The manufacturer's intention here is to offer users the best virtual reality experience in the world. For this, the device is loaded with premium lenses, screens, and improved headphones. For example, the displays are LCDs with a resolution of 1440 by 1600 RGB, 50% more subpixels than OLED. In turn, the charging factor is 3 times higher. The viewfinder runs at 120 Hz, is compatible with 90 Hz, and has an experimental mode of 144 Hz to achieve maximum frame rate with tremendous realism. Also, Valve stated that the field of view is 20 degrees larger than that of the HTC Vive and Oculus Rift. Valve Index designers believe that sound is a key element in achieving greater immersion. Therefore, the speakers will not touch the ears at any time to give the feeling that what we hear is part of the environment. This will also provide greater comfort and lower temperatures. Of course, users can still adjust them as they wish. The device is designed so that it can comfortably fit any head, regardless of size. The places that come into contact are made of lined and antimicrobial fabric, so that it's pleasant for the skin and easy to clean. As if that wasn't enough, each of the 2 controls uses up to 87 sensors that'll record the user's every movement, finger position, or pressure they exert. All this with great realism and speed of detection so that every action is very intuitive and natural. Nevertheless, the controllers have their own buttons, triggers, and sticks to be compatible with any video game that already exists on Steam. The headphones are great, though not at all innovative. Valve took many lessons learned in recent years seriously and combined them with its own progress. The Index is adorned with comfort and higher resolution, which is not surprising, but the increase in the field of view is unprecedented, at least at this price, and unexpected, raising the headphones above the operational status. If you can afford this beast, we say go for it. Up next, we bring you the Oculus Quest 2, the overall best VR headset available on the market in 2022, the gold medalist for today. Oculus Quest 2 is such a surprise that we didn't expect. You come to them with the idea that VR is not growing, that everything has already been seen, and that the initial problems are still there. And then you open the box and you can't help but feel like you're in front of something new. We couldn't imagine saying that VR headphones can be beautiful, for example, but these are. Small and light enough that you can hold it with one hand without fear of hitting a stump and being left without virtual entertainment. It seems crazy that so much power is hidden behind its elegant white case. The device sports a Snapdragon XR2 processor that offers a resolution of 1920 by 1832 per eye on its LCD panel that can display images at 90 Hz. It's no small thing, but there is still room to enjoy 3D speakers, a microphone that makes it easier to communicate in social applications, and more importantly, if possible, a USB-C port to connect the headset to a computer. The onboard rubber straps make it easy to put the helmet on, and through the upper Velcro and rear sliders, the possibility of maximum adjustment to avoid the entry of light. You will enjoy fun apps with 360-degree videos, documentaries about nature and travel, relaxation apps, and of course a large catalog of games containing almost all the top titles that have celebrated virtual reality. Everything is at your fingertips. Finally, the sound quality is top-notch. You'll enjoy the game and understand the dialogue. Overall, this model delivers premium quality, top-notch looks, and durability, all wrapped up in the best possible price-quality ratio. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, see you guys later.